Morning, folks. It's Brian Hale with Mortgage Advisory Partners. It's Monday, March 4th, and we look forward to a great week this week. We have an awful lot coming up this week in terms of data. Included in my post, as always, is a link to this week's newsletter that Mortgage Advisory Partners publishes, as well as a link to subscribe to the newsletter. Again, if you subscribe, it's free. Subscriptions have been rolling in. We're exceptionally excited. We're in the thousands of subscriptions now, and we appreciate everybody's support. And I hope you find value in the subscription and the weekly newsletter. If you subscribe, you'll get it on Friday before the weekend, so you always have it available to deal with your clients and customers over the weekend and help educate them as to what's going on in the marketplace. This week is going to be a particularly important week in my view. Couple of pieces of data that are coming up this week. First, on Wednesday, we have the February ADP jobs report, as well as the January JOLTS report, JOLTS. The JOLTS report really responds to job openings. It's a little bit of a function of jobs being created yet unfilled in the economy. On Thursday, we get jobless claims, and Fed Chairman Powell is testifying in front of Congress again on Thursday, which always has a tendency to move the markets. The JOLTS report is expected to come in at about 8.895 million. The February ADP report on Wednesday is expected to come in at 150,000 in terms of new jobs created in the private sector. And then jobless claims, as I mentioned on Thursday, 215,000 for Thursday. But the two really big numbers, one is coming out on Friday and the other is coming out next week. Friday will be the February non-farm jobs payroll number, which is currently expected to be 200,000. If, as it did last month, it comes in at 350 or some multiple of expectation, we can generally expect rates to worsen. If it comes in at or below, particularly below the expectation of 200,000, it should set the tone for lower rates over the next month or two. In addition to that, the following week will be the CPI report, the Consumer Price Index report. So from Wednesday of this week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and next week's CPI report are going to be really a critical period in terms of setting the tone for interest rates, certainly over the balance of March and likely into April and the rest of the spring buying season. So take a look at the newsletter, familiarize yourself with not only the reports that are coming out, but the commentary and charts, which you'll find very helpful with your customers and your clients. And if you're a branch manager, great newsletter to use for a sales meeting for your sales team to help prepare them before the weekend and prepare them for the onslaught of customers coming at them. I wish you the best. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care. My best to all of you.